Everyone dreams of a perfect smile that we see on magazine covers or flashing across the red carpet. A bright, white smile not only looks amazing, but it makes you feel more confident, more attractive, and ready to take on the world. But let's face it, not everyone can afford expensive dental treatments or fancy whitening procedures. And that's okay, because we're here to help you get that stunning smile naturally without breaking the bank. Before we jump into the remedies, let's talk about why teeth turn yellow in the first place. It's not just about poor brushing, there's a lot more going on. Daily habits like drinking coffee, tea, cola, red wine, or even eating berries and tomato-based foods can stain your enamel. Smoking or chewing tobacco makes it worse. And then there's age. Your enamel thins over time, making the yellowish dentin underneath more visible. Even certain medications and too much fluoride in childhood can cause discoloration. But don't worry. You're not stuck with yellow teeth forever. We've got some easy, affordable natural remedies you can try right at home. The key is not to try all of them at once. Pick one method, stay consistent, and give it time to work. So let's jump into remedies. Remedy 1. A simple paste made from baking soda and water. Gently brush with it. Don't overuse this remedy as it can also make your teeth sensitive, so you can start with 1 time a week. And when you get used to it, then do it 2 to 3 times a week. It helps remove surface stains and brightens your teeth naturally. Remedy 2. The most effective remedy. Coconut oil pulling. Just swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes a day. You can start with few minutes but increase the time gradually. It's a great way to reduce plaque and gradually whiten your teeth, and also removes the bad breath. Remedy 3. A hydrogen peroxide rinse. Mix equal parts of 3% hydrogen peroxide and water and swish it for about 30 seconds. No more than a few times a week. Be careful not to swallow it and follow up with a gentle brush. And while you're working on whitening, don't forget the basics. Brush twice a day, floss, rinse after meals, and try to cut back on drinks and foods that stain. A reusable straw can help too if you're a coffee or tea lover.